The seafarers have arrived in Goa and a very warm welcome to each and every one of them. They have been taken to be quarantined into the hotels which have been provided and kept ready. But the core issue which I see over here is about the quarantine facility to which the seafarers have been subjected. First, this is not a home quarantine but a hotel quarantine. The facility is not free of cost, but it is paid. Different rates depending upon the categories. The seafarers quarantined now were already quarantined on board before disembarking. So would home quarantine not be sufficient for them? Even for a longer period they could be home quarantined. Now the state government says there's no payment being made by the seafarers but by the ship owners and the agents. Will this not invite a backlash against them when they go back for service where they may not be taken? Is this paid quarantine only for the seafarers? Is what I want to ask. Because I want to know what is the objective behind this kind of paid quarantine. What about the others who are going to come into our country, like the NRIs or the other seafarers who are still awaiting, or people who have been working abroad, not necessarily at sea? What about those who are stranded in other parts of our country, in India, and they are coming back? Will they all be subjected to this paid quarantine, or will they be given a different kind of a treatment, and why? As on 6 April 2020, within 1 week of its launch, the PM CARES Fund had raised about 6,500 crore rupees. If I'm not mistaken, Goa on its side, separate from the PM CARE funds, raised about 300 crores for COVID. My question now is, when will this money be used? Will it be used after the entire COVID is over? Or will it be used just like how the Election Commission of India keeps spending huge amounts of money for elections, including spending monies on 5-star hotels and stays and enjoying as if it has never been getting a chance before? For politicians to travel, for the bureaucrats to have fun, for them to buy new cars, to make tours, or to hold conferences and waste the public money? I think that the government of Goa, which has announced 6,000 rupees for migrant workers who are in Goa, I think they should also make provision likewise for our seafarers and all those others coming here. Finally, they are all our own people who should be given the best treatment in our own home state. So therefore, I urge that the government of Goa should rethink its policy and provide and start spending from its funds which is collected, ask the center for funds, and make these provisions for quarantining, if necessary, in the hotels free of cost. Thank you very much.